This is how I prep my skin, especially for oily skin, before makeup, that gives me flawless, smooth canvas finish. Guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're just seeing me, hi, my name is SINDYAKPOLO. Good to have you here. You're most definitely welcome. Today, just like you've clicked on the title and the thumbnail, today I'm gonna be doing skin prep. I'm gonna be showing you how to prep oily skin, especially if you have large pores or textured skin, before makeup for a smooth canvas. So as you can see on my face is really dry, is dehydrated, is freshly washed. There is nothing on my skin. Also, my skin is super dehydrated, super dry, and as you can see, my pores are more prominent and visible. So I'm gonna be doing the skincare to bring back some moisture on my face. To start off with the first product, I'm gonna be spritzing my face using a rose water spray that also serves as a toner. Use this to rejuvenate my skin, to bring back some moisture on my skin. I'm gonna go in with the next product, and I'm gonna be using the serum, and I'm using the serum from Bliss. This is the vitamin C tripeptide collagen protecting and brightening serum. I love this serum on my skin, especially how it makes my skin feel. I'm just gonna apply this serum on my skin and massage it on my skin, and you can see how that just added some moisture on my face or on my skin. I'm just gonna allow it or let it to sit on the skin for a few minutes before going over with the next product. Next, I'm gonna be using eye cream. I'm using this one from Bliss. This is the vitamin C plus pro collagen brightening and firm eye cream. I'm just gonna place the eye cream underneath my eyes and around my eyes, also to hydrate my eye area, take off the bags and fine lines on that area, and massage it. Don't forget to also apply some of the eye cream product on your eyelid and also towards where your brows are or your brow area. So we're gonna go in with a moisturizer, and I'm also gonna be using the moisturizer from Bliss, and this is their vitamin C plus tripeptide collagen protecting plus brightening moisturizer. Now, you don't want to skip using the moisturizer regardless of your skin, oily skin, dry skin, combination skin, normal skin. You have to use a moisturizer. I'm just gonna apply some of this on my skin, and I love how this moisturizer looks on my skin. It gives that healthy, beautiful glow on my skin. So beautiful. Don't forget your neck as well. Also massage it to the back of my ear, and I'm also going to allow it or let it to sit, and now you can see how my skin is looking, the healthy, beautiful glow on the skin. To seal everything together, I'm also going to apply a face oil, and I'm using the Milani Prep Plus Brighten Rose Oil. This is for oily skin. I think they have the one for dry skin. You have to apply oil on your face regardless of your skin type. This Milani Rose Oil is very beautiful on my skin, and I love it. Just gonna massage it on my skin, pat it on my skin to lock this entire product that we have on the skin. And I know you said you have oily skin, why apply oil on your skin? Because when you apply oil on your skin, you're tricking your skin not to produce a lot of oil on your skin, and it also locks in the product on your skin, because with moisturizer it can easily move. With oil, nothing can easily penetrate to your skin. So with this, I'm not rubbing it on my skin, I'm just patting it and pushing it into the skin so it doesn't move or separate the moisturizer which is applied on our skin. Next, we're going to move on to prepping for makeup, and to prep for makeup, you want to start using the primer. No, I did not use a sunscreen because I'm actually not going anywhere with the makeup. You can apply sunscreen, and I'm just going to be sitting at home prepping the skin for makeup. Now I'm going to be using a setting spray to spritz on my face. I'm using this setting spray because this one helps with the longevity of the makeup and is a long-lasting setting spray. It's a finishing spray actually, and this is the SINDY makeup finishing spray, the bridal one, and it doesn't contain oils because we already have oil on our skin, so we don't want to apply too much oil on our skin. So I'm just going to spritz this all over on my skin. I'm using this as a first base on my skin for makeup application and allow it to dry. Next, I'm going to be using the primer, and I'm using the mattifying primer. So I'm using the Cover FX mattifying primer. This is the sample size of it. I'm just going to apply some of this on my skin, just around the areas where I tend to produce oil the most and where I have large pores, to mattify that area. When applying product on your skin, especially with the skincare product, you don't want to apply too much product on your skin at once. Sometimes you won't worry why some of the skincare products you apply on your skin don't work. That's because you clog up too much product on your skin, not allowing your skin to breathe, or sometimes you don't even allow most of the products to do the work that they're meant to do on your skin. So be careful not to apply a lot of product on your skin when doing your skincare. This is how I prep my skin. I am oily skin and I have large pores and a bit of texture on my face as well, and this is how I prep my skin before makeup that gives me flawless, smooth canvas finish. Something to put out there is, side note to know, everybody's skincare routine or skincare regimen is not the same. People alternate or switch between products based on what works for them, and these are the products that works on my skin. They might not be the exact product you use on your skin, so just a disclaimer out there. So whatever product you're applying on your skin or you're getting for your skincare, make sure that it is appropriate for your skin and it works for your skin, not because you saw somebody using it, but because it works on your skin and it does the exact work that is meant to do on your skin. What you need to know is, don't expect because I use a certain product for my skincare routine you have to get it. Sometimes you can just stick with what you know or stick with what you have. As long as it's working for you, then go ahead or continue using it. So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did create it. If you did, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Also leave your video suggestion in the comments down below as well. Let me know your skin type and your skincare regimen, and if you are not yet subscribed to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss out on my future uploads. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and check out my other videos that you might find interesting to stay connected.